Ever found yourself staring at a credit card statement, wondering, where exactly does this money go? Or maybe you've pondered the perks of a rewards program, scratching your head at the fine print. We're bombarded with financial services every day, but how many of us truly understand the companies behind them? Today, we're diving deep into one name you've likely encountered, especially if you're a Canadian, Rogers Bank. Now, you might be thinking, Rogers? Isn't that a telecom company? And you'd be absolutely right. But here's the twist. They've ventured into the world of finance, creating a bank that intersects with their broader ecosystem. So, what exactly does Rogers Bank do? Is it just a side hustle for a giant corporation, or is it a serious player in the Canadian financial landscape? To understand Rogers Bank, we need to rewind a bit. Rogers Communications, the parent company, is a behemoth in the telecommunications and media sectors. They provide everything from internet and cable to mobile phone services. They've built a massive network, a vast customer base, and a brand synonymous with connectivity. In today's digital age, that's a powerful foundation. But they saw an opportunity. They recognized that their customers were already engaging with their services daily, often through digital transactions. They understood the value of data, the power of loyalty, and the potential to create a seamless experience that merged telecommunications with financial services. Enter Rogers Bank. Launched in 2019, it's a relatively new player in the Canadian banking sector. But it's not starting from scratch. It's leveraging the existing infrastructure and customer relationships of its parent company. So, let's break down their core offerings. At its heart, Rogers Bank is a credit card issuer. They offer a range of MasterCard credit cards, each designed with specific features and benefits. But these aren't just your run-of-the-mill credit cards. They're deeply integrated with the Rogers ecosystem. One of their key selling points is the focus on cashback rewards, often tied directly to Rogers services. For example, many of their cards offer enhanced cash back when redeemed towards your Rogers bills. This creates a compelling incentive for existing Rogers customers. Why get generic rewards when you can directly reduce your monthly telecom expenses? This integrated approach is a crucial differentiator. It's not just about offering a credit card, it's about creating a holistic experience that rewards loyalty within the Rogers ecosystem. They're essentially saying, we value your business, and we want to reward you for staying within our family of services. But Rogers Bank isn't just about discounts on phone bills. They're also focusing on digital convenience. They offer online and mobile banking platforms, allowing customers to manage their accounts, track their spending, and redeem rewards with ease. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and Rogers Bank is banking on that. Furthermore, they've positioned themselves as a player in the evolving landscape of digital payments. They understand that the future of finance is increasingly digital, and they're investing in technologies that facilitate seamless and secure transactions. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, competition. The Canadian banking sector is dominated by a few major players. These established banks have deep pockets, extensive branch networks, and decades of experience. So, how can a relatively new entrant like Rogers Bank compete? The answer lies in their niche. They're not trying to be a full-service bank that offers everything to everyone. They're focusing on a specific segment, their existing customer base. They're leveraging their unique position as a telecommunications provider to offer value-added financial services that resonate with their customers. This targeted approach allows them to focus their resources and tailor their offerings to the specific needs of their target audience. They're not trying to compete on every front, they're focusing on what they do best, integrating financial services with their existing telecommunications offerings. And this integration brings another advantage, data. Rogers Communications has access to a wealth of customer data, which allows them to understand their customers' spending habits and preferences. This data can be used to personalize offers, tailor rewards programs, and improve the overall customer experience. Of course, this raises questions about privacy and data security. Rogers Bank, like any financial institution, is subject to strict regulations regarding data protection. They must adhere to these regulations and ensure that customer data is handled responsibly and securely. Beyond the credit card offerings, Rogers Bank also focuses on other areas. They are building their digital banking platform that integrates with Rogers' other digital services. This will increase the ease of use for customers who are already familiar with the Rogers ecosystem. They also provide access to online account management, which gives customers the ability to monitor their spending, make payments, and access their statements from anywhere. This emphasis on digital accessibility is a key component of their strategy. Rogers Bank is also working to increase its partnerships, which will allow for more rewards and offers for their customers. They are currently working with other companies to provide exclusive deals and discounts for their cardholders. It's important to remember that Rogers Bank is still a relatively young company. They're still in the process of building their brand, expanding their offerings, and establishing themselves as a credible player in the Canadian financial landscape. They face challenges, of course. The banking sector is highly competitive, and they must continue to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. They must also maintain the trust and confidence of their customers, particularly in the realm of data security and privacy. But they also have significant advantages. They have a strong brand, a large customer base, and a unique value proposition that differentiates them from their competitors. They're leveraging their existing strengths to create a financial services offering that resonates with their target audience. In essence, Rogers Bank is a financial services provider that's deeply intertwined with the Rogers telecommunications ecosystem. They're offering credit cards and digital banking services that reward loyalty and provide convenience to their customers. They're not trying to be everything to everyone. They're focusing on a specific niche and leveraging their unique strengths to compete in the Canadian banking sector. They're not just a bank, they're a part of a larger ecosystem. They're leveraging the power of connectivity to create a seamless and integrated experience that rewards loyalty and provides value to their customers. So, the next time you see a Rogers Bank credit card, remember that it's more than just a piece of plastic. It's a gateway to a world of rewards, convenience, and integrated services within the Rogers ecosystem. It's a testament to the evolving landscape of finance, where telecommunications and banking are increasingly intertwined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.